Hey YouTube, out here at the goat pasture again. Today I'm putting up some electric fence for a paddock move, and I wanted to share with you just a little bit about how I put up my fence. I made a video just a little while ago about taking down a fence. I thought I should make something about putting one up. So it's a lot of similar elements to taking a fence down, but just one little different piece of equipment really for putting it up. So much like with taking the fence down, I'm on the four-wheeler side saddle like this, access to my step-in post right here behind me. I've got my reels mounted on my four-wheeler right here on the same stand that I was using before. I'll show this stand to you. It slides on here just like the one for taking it down did, but it's just a simple platform there that these two reels can sit on and be stabilized, have the three ears sticking up to kind of hold them in place. But that's all it is. It's just a hunk of steel is all it is, but just slides right over that arm that sticks out, and then I take my reels and I just slide them on there, and they just set down in there, and as I drive along they feed out. So like I say, side saddle here, use your post, get your bottom strand, reach out and get your top strand, hook it on, drive on to your first post, or your next post, and then push it in the ground. So that's the basics of it. I'll split to another screen and show you maybe my corner post and how I build those here in just a little bit. And then I think tying off the reels, I've already gone through that and explained that in the last video when I was taking it down, so I won't go in depth on it. But that's the simplicity of it. So hopefully somebody out there can use this setup or use this rig to make taking down their fence and putting it up a lot easier, and hope it can help somebody. So I'll pull you back up here in a little bit, and we'll look at a corner brace. Okay. So the only unique thing I really do on these corners is this rope I've talked about before, 2 loops on each end, one loop a little bigger than the other maybe. On this corner post, I will actually figure 8 this loop, okay? And when I put that over this post, and then I use half of that figure 8 to catch this ear, okay? And when that comes tight, that ear keeps that thing from sliding down the post. That's what keeps it standing up, or keeps the rope from sliding down. So that's an important little factor. And so then all I do is just come over here, push the stake through my other hole, make sure everything's even, and there we've got a corner brace now. So that's pretty solid. We can pull on that pretty hard, and it's a useful thing to be able to get around this brush, get around steep, uneven terrain, whatever you need to do. But being able to make a corner and go around something is useful in some of these areas that are a little harder to fence, that aren't just flat and clear.